Hello, welcome back children. So today we are back with a practice session on questions of coordinate geometry, and here I have picked up questions not only from NCERT but also from RS Agarwal. So I have a set of questions which I have picked up, and then we will practice all these questions. I am sure by the end of this session you will be well equipped with the concepts of coordinate geometry and how to apply them in different questions which come in different kind of examinations. So this is an exhaustive session. So we will do questions on distance formula, we will do questions on section formula, we will do questions on area. So let us go ahead and start the class. So children, so we have the first formula with us, which is the distance formula, and in distance formula you know that it is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, where x1 and y1 are coordinates of point A and x2 y2 are coordinates of point B. So distance between AB is given by this particular formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, whole thing under root. Okay, so let us try and do these questions. So we'll pick up the first question and we'll try to do one of the parts of this, or first two parts. Let us see. Okay, so now we have this. So which is x1 y1? So let us do the first question first. So here I would say that this is x1 and this is y1. Okay, and the second point which is given will be x2 and y2. Very simple, you have to find the distance between this point. So what you will do, distance, suppose this is point A and this is point B, then distance between point AB is represented by this AB and upar ek bar, and then root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, na? So now let's go and put the formula here. X2 is 4, so it is 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 is 1 minus 3 whole square. So this is root of 2 square plus, see, 1 minus 3 is minus 2 and minus 2 square is again 4. So that is also minus 2 whole square. So this is root of 4 plus 4, which is root 8. Root 8 can be written as 2 root 2, isn't it? So the distance in this case answer is 2 root 2. Simple. So let us, तो ये आप कर सकते हो. You, I hope you have to do this. Let us, I will show you this one, that question number 3. Okay, so you can pause and also keep taking notes whenever you feel like. If you find it very easy, no need to take, you can proceed to the next level of questions directly by forwarding the video. So this one I am going to do for you. Here what is x1? A1, A. This is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Okay. So distance between these 2 points is x2 minus x1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square. I am writing the formulas again and again so that you will remember this. Okay, so this equals to minus a whole square plus minus y whole square. So it is minus 2a whole square plus minus 2y whole square. So this becomes 4a square plus 4y square, right? 4 is common in this and 4 will come out of the root, so it will become 2 root of a square plus y square. So this is the distance between these points. Okay, it was easy. So applying distance formula is easy. Now we will apply distance formula in some concept. Okay, like if they say like question number 3, let us go and see the question number 3. उससे पहले एक और चीज़ है, if 3 points are collinear. I told you that 3 points are collinear only if there are 2 conditions. If you have to go and check the my concepts video, but again I am going to explain you here. See, if 3 points are collinear, तो मतलब कि they should be on one line. This is one line. So if this is point A and this is point B and this is point C, collinear means all on the same line. ठीक है ना? So if this condition has to be true, if they have to be on same line, then distance between AB plus distance between BC should be equal to distance between AC. So you know that AB plus BC should be equal to AC. अगर ऐसा होता है, then all 3 points are on the same line. So let us check whether these 3 points are on the same line. So let us first check distance. Let this be A, this B, and this be C. So let us first find the length of AB. x2 minus x1, 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square, which is root of 1 square plus minus 2 whole square, which is root of 5. ठीक है, AB distance मिल गया. Now let us find BC. So it is minus 2 whole square plus minus 11 minus 3 whole square. So it becomes minus 4 whole square is 16 and minus 14 whole square is 196. So 196 plus 16 is root of 96 and 4 becomes 200, 214, 212. This is 12 to 1, 10, 11, 1, 1, 2. So 212. Do you have something of root 202? No. So let us also find the distance AC. Let us find AC. AC is root of minus 2 minus 1 whole square. Okay, yeah, minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 whole square. So let us see what it is. Root of minus 3 whole square is 9 and minus 16, isn't it? Minus 11 minus 5 minus 16 whole square. What is minus 16 whole square? 16 into 16. 6, 3, 9, 1, 6. So it is 256. 256 plus 9 is 265. Now R is this function root 5 plus root of 212. Is it equal to root of 265? No, isn't it? So they are not collinear. Okay. So we now know that ABC are not collinear. So what will be ABC? ABC will be in some forming triangle A, B and C. And what was the other method which I told you how to prove that they are collinear? We will be using area formula, but we are having that in the last part of the session, so we won't use it here. So if area of a triangle is not equal to 0, then they are non-collinear. If the area is 0, then obviously B is going and coming here and lying on AC. So that is the other way where you can prove things are collinear or not. Okay? So let us go ahead and see the next kind of question. So here we have a question where they are asking, they have given 3 points and they are asking us to check whether they are isosceles triangle, vertices of a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle कैसा होता है बच्चों लोग? Isosceles triangle is where two sides are equal, right? So if you have point A here and B here and C here, then this should be isosceles. We don't know which side is isosceles. We consider this A, B and C. We don't know which two sides, whether AB is equal to AC or BA is equal to BC or CA is equal to C, we don't know. So what we should do, we should find the three lengths AB, BC and CA. And if two lengths are equal, by default it will be a isosceles triangle. Okay? So let us go ahead and find length of AB. AB should be equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square. So 6 minus 5 whole square plus 4 minus of minus 2, which is 6. 4 plus माइनस ऑफ माइनस टू बिकम्स प्लस टू, 6 होल स्क्वायर, तो ये कितना हो गया 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 6 स्क्वायर, सो इट इज 36 प्लस 1 रूट ऑफ 37. ठीक है. Now let us find BC. Don't have to find the roots value, huh? Just go ahead and put the values here. BC is 7 minus 6, 7 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4, minus 2 minus 4 whole square. तो ये भी सेम थिंग हो गया, 1 square plus minus 6 whole square, minus 6 whole square is again plus 6, so it is root of 37. So here we know that AB was equal to BC. Hence the given triangle, we don't even have to go and find BC. If two sides are equal, we know that it is a isosceles triangle. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया. So how we are applying distance formula in finding different things. हमने collinearity देखी, हमने isosceles triangle देखा, और भी देखते हैं आगे क्या क्या चीजें. Now we have a question क्वाड्रिलेटरल के बारे में. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल, क्वाड्रिलेटरल कितने तरीके के होते हैं. सो लेट मी डू, इसमें देयर आर 2-3 क्वेश्चंस, सो लेट आई विल पिक अप वन क्वेश्चन. सो लेट मी डू सेकंड वन फॉर यू. ओके. सो क्वाड्रिलेटरल कितने तरह के होते हैं. क्वाड्रिलेटरल मींस ए साइड, क्लोज साइड विद 4 फिगर्स, राइट. नाउ 4 फिगर्स कितने तरह के होते हैं. स्क्वायर होता है, रेक्टेंगल होता है, पैरेललोग्राम होता है, ट्रेपेजियम होता है, राइट. इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फिगर इट्स कमिंग. तो कैसे पता चलेगा. सो लेट द पॉइंट्स बी ABCD. तो पहले आप मान लो कि A इज योर -3 5 एंड B इज 3 1, C इज 0 3 and D is -1 -4. ठीक है. Now ये तो है, तो let us go ahead and see if things are, what kind of quadrilateral is being formed. So हमें क्या करना होगा. We have to find AB, we have to find BC, then we have to find CD, and then we have to find DA or AD, whichever. Both ways the distance will be same. So I am trying to find the length of AB. x2 minus x1 whole square, 3 minus of -3 which is plus 6 whole square which is 36, plus 1 minus 5 minus 4 का whole square is 16, isn't it. 36 plus 16, how much is this. 52, root of 52. Let us find BC. 0 minus 3 का होल स्क्वायर इज 9, 3 minus 1 2 का होल स्क्वायर इज 4, इट इज रूट ऑफ 13. अभी तक तो दोनों इक्वल नहीं आए, सो और आगे चलना पड़ेगा. देन वी विल फाइंड CD, AB BC CD. CD देखते हैं क्या होता है. -1 0 होल स्क्वायर, तो 1 स्क्वायर इज 1, -4 -3 -7, -7 होल स्क्वायर इज 49, so it is root of 50. ये तो पूरा ही अनइक्वल लग रहा है, इरेगुलर क्वाड्रिलेटरल लग रहा है. ओके. नाउ DA देखते हैं. -1 -3, so -1 minus of -3 will become -1 plus 3 which is 2 whole square which is 4, and -4 -5 -9 whole square which is 36. So it is root of 40. What do you find here? All four sides are unequal. If all four sides are unequal, it's a irregular quadrilateral. वो कुछ इस तरीके से होगा. So it will be something like this. 1 2 3 2 3 4. There is no regular pattern in this quadrilateral. ठीक है. So in this quadrilateral we can't give any name, it's a irregular quadrilateral. So similarly you can do the first and second part and see. If you get all four sides equal, then it will be a square. But what is the difference between square? In all four sides there you should know all these things, all the four kinds of quadrilateral. So let me tell you. See, suppose you have a square. Square will have all four sides equal. ठीक है. But there is another figure where all four sides are equal. What is this figure? Yes, rhombus. So इसमें भी all four sides are equal, but what is not equal? In square, even the diagonals are equal. So if you have to differentiate between a square and rhombus, so first you have to find all the four sides. When you say it's equal, so then you have to go and find the length of the diagonals also. If diagonals are unequal, then it is a rhombus. If diagonals are also equal, then it is a square. So you can differentiate between a square and a rhombus. All four sides will be equal, but in rhombus, diagonals will not be equal. ठीक है. What about parallelogram? Parallelogram में आपको क्या मिलेगा? All four sides will be unequal. So two parallel sides will be equal, and these two parallel sides will be equal. So this is a parallelogram. But again, rectangle हो जाएगा. इस parallelogram and rectangle के बीच में भी differentiate करना है. A rectangle also has opposite sides equal. These are two rectangles. So इसमें भी opposite sides are equal. How will you differentiate between rectangle and a parallelogram? Again, coming back to same thing, diagonal wala concept. See, in parallelogram, diagonals will not be equal. One diagonal will be small, one diagonal will be longer. But in rectangle, diagonals will again be equal. So every time you have to fire the formula of distance 6 times if something comes like this. Okay, right? समझ गए ना? So this is how you do. Trapezium कैसे होता है? Trapezium में all four sides unequal, but two sides may be parallel. Okay, this is a trapezium. ये बहुत रेयरली मिलेगा आपको. इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस वो लोग ज़्यादा पूछेंगे where they have similar things. All four sides equal तो rhombus में भी होता है, but diagonals unequal होंगे तो it will be rhombus. अगर diagonals are equal, it is square. और coming back to parallelogram and rectangle, parallelogram में भी opposite sides are equal, whereas in rectangle also they are equal, but diagonals in parallelogram are different, whereas in rectangle diagonals are equal. So whenever you fire the distance formula 6 times, you will get your answer. ठीक है. So let us go ahead and see the next type of questions where distance formula is being used. ठीक है. So let us see our distance. Okay. Now this question, this is another type of question. ये पूछता है कि find the, zoom out little bit, yeah, now it is visible. Find the values of y where the distance between the 2 points is 10 units. So बस वो formula में डालना है, y को y रखना है, and you have to solve it. It's a part of algebra. I'll show it anyhow since we have it here. See, we have this question and we have to find the value of y. यहाँ पे this is x1, y1, x2, y2 and distance given between p and q. So pq is equal to 10. यहाँ पे distance दिया हुआ है, so वो formula में डाल दो आप लोग. x2 10 minus 2, 10 minus 2 whole square. This is pq, isn't it? pq 10 minus 2 whole square and y minus of minus 3 कितना हो जाएगा? y plus 3 whole square. This they have given as 10. So कितना हो गया? 10 minus 2 root of 8 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 10. Now ये रूट हटाना है तो यहाँ पे रूट 10 कर सकते हैं, बट इसे बेटर करेंगे स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स. SBS is squaring on both sides. तो इसको स्क्वायर कर दो और इसे भी स्क्वायर कर दो. इफ यू स्क्वायर द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड द रूट विल गो, इट यू विल बी लेफ्ट विथ 8 square plus y plus 3 whole square, and here it will be 100. So 8 square will become 64 and come on the right side. So y plus 3 whole square will be 100 minus 64, which is 36. Y plus 3 whole square. Now again we will find root on both the sides. तो इसका रूट डाल दो और इसका रूट डाल दो. So इसका रूट हो जाएगा y plus 3 and 36 का रूट is 6. Now 3 comes here. So y is equal to 6 minus 3, which is 3, and this is your answer. See how we used algebra to solve, right? So here you don't even have to find roots and don't worry about finding the square root of numbers. आप square on both the sides कर सकते हैं, फिर वापस भी आप root डाल सकते हैं as per your convenience to see how fast you are able to get your reach your answer. ठीक है? So let us go ahead and see the next question. Now he is telling that one point is equidistant from 2 points and we have to find the value of distances. X find karna है and then we have to find the distances also. Okay, so I will show you this one. He is telling Q is equidistance from P and R. So that means अपने पास एक Q point है, this is one Q. ज़रूरी नहीं है they are on the same line, but he is telling that they are equidistant. So ये है P और ये है Q. ठीक है? So P की values are given as 5 minus 3 coordinates of P and coordinates of Q is given as 0 1 and Q is Q is equidistance from P and R, so we will correct it. Q, this is point Q which is 0 1 and it is equidistant from P and R. So what is P? 5 minus 3 and what is R? X 6. So he is telling equidistance. Equidistance means QP distance should be equal to QR. Now let us find QP. QP will be equal to root of 5 minus 0 whole square is 5 square plus minus 3 minus 1 which is minus 4 whole square which is 25 plus 16, so this is 41 root of 41. Let it be like this. And let us find QR. X minus 0 whole square is x square plus 6 minus 1 whole square is 5 square, so we got it as root of x square plus 25. Now they have told that these two are equidistant, मतलब this QP is equal to QR, so इसको equate कर देंगे. Then root 41 should be equal to root of x square plus 25. Now we have to get rid of the roots. Square on both the sides. SBS. Square on both the sides. So this will become 41 is equal to x square plus 25. Okay. So x square is equal to 41 minus 25 which is 16. Therefore x is equal to root of 16 which is 4. Okay. So we got the value of x. Now he is asking you to find the value of each of the length. So यहाँ पे 4 डाल दोगे तो 16 plus 25. This will also become root of 41. So PQ is root 41 and QR is also root 41. So this is how we can complete this question. Quite easy, isn't it? Okay. So 10th question is same. So 10th question, find the relation between x and y such that x and y is equidistant from 3y. तो यहाँ पे relation find करना है. Algebra है, there is ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं इसमें. So I will show you this one also. So finding the relation between x and y such that these 2 points are equidistant. So let us go ahead. We will write xy and it is equidistant from 2 different points. One point is 3 6, another point is minus 3 4. So let this be A, let this be B, let this be C. He is telling that AB is equal to AC. So let us put in formula. It will be x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square, that is the length of AB, is equal to AC square is x minus of minus 3 x plus 3 whole square, right, and y minus 4 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. He is not asking you to find values of x and y, right? He is asking you the relation between x and y. वो हमें मिल जाएगा. Now we have to get rid of these roots. So square on both the sides. SBS, apply SBS, square on both the sides. So yes, so roots गायब हो गया. It is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square is equal to x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Ab you don't have any choice but to expand the brackets. So it becomes a square, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square को expand कर लो, y square plus 36 minus 12y should be equal to x square plus 6x plus 9 plus y square plus 16 minus 8y. ठीक है. Now this x square goes, y square goes away. We have minus 6x and plus 6x. So bring them all x on one side and all y. So here we have 9 and 9 also going away, right? And 36. Okay, we have something now. So let us bring all the x's on this side. So we have here minus 6x. And bring this x here. ये भी minus 6x हो जाएगा लेफ्ट आके, राइट? और y यहाँ पर है. You have 6x is gone that side. So we are left with minus 8y. And this y comes here, becomes 12y. And we already have plus 16 here. And let this 36 also come here and become minus 36. Okay. So here we get minus 12x is equal to 12y minus 8y is 4y, and minus 36 minus 16 is minus 20. Okay. So what is the relation between x and y? We will इसको कर लेते हैं. We will express y in terms of x. So let us send this here. So we will get 4y is equal to 20 minus 12x. Now they all go with 4. 4 1s are 4 5s are 4 3s are. So y is equal to 5 minus 3x. Isn't it the relation between x and y? Right? So I hope you have understood this question. There are so many ways you can write it. If you bring 3x on this side, it will become 3x plus y. You can also write it like this. You can also write it 3x plus y is equal to 5. Okay, you can write like this, you can write like this, you can, many ways you can express, but it's better to express it like this. Okay, actually it is a equation of a straight line. So it is y is equal to minus 3x plus 5. Y line slope intercept form. These things also we will learn in our coming coordinate geometry classes, where you will see equation of straight line, and equation of straight line can be in different forms: slope intercept form, slope form, normal form. ये सब चीज़ भी हम सीखेंगे as we go progress with our education. ठीक है? So I hope you have understood this NCERT questions का chapter. Then I have pulled some questions from RS Agarwal. Let me check. Yeah, RS Agarwal से भी questions हैं मेरे पास, मैंने रखे हैं. So let us see what are those questions. Okay, I got few questions from RS Agarwal too. So find the values of x in which the distance between these two. ये कर सकते हो. You have to just put the formula. This is easy. Equidistant wala also we have done. Then value of p, also find length of AB. So let me do it for you, this one. It has appeared in one of the exam. Okay. I am not doing all the questions because that kind model of questions I have already done. So फिर भी अगर आपको डाउट आता है, you can comment in the box or you can personally message me. So उसका एक छोटा सा वीडियो मैं डाल दूंगा. ऐसे ही मैं बहुत से पोर्टल्स में मैं अपने वीडियोस डालता हूँ, डाउटनेट वाला, अनअकैडमी में. so many people take my small videos of doubts. तो यहाँ पर भी आप मुझे personally भेज सकते हो. Since you are looking at my videos directly, you can send me a personal request and I will send a small video solving that question to you. ठीक है? तो let us do this question. So वो कह रहा है a point A is equidistant from B and C. Find the value of P. तो equidistant बोला है, that means AB is equal to AC. तो AB का फॉर्मूला डाल देते हैं. AB में x2 is 3 minus 0 whole square, which is 3 square, plus P minus 2 whole square. P minus 2 whole square. This is our AB. And let us AC. It is P minus 0 whole square. P minus 0 whole square plus 5 minus 2 3 whole square. ठीक है? तो ये square on both sides, root तो चला गया. तो now it will be left with 9 plus P minus 2 होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू पी स्क्वायर प्लस 9, है ना। तो ये तरफ दोनों तरफ 9 है, ये तो खत्म हो गया। ओके, सो हियर वी हैव, एक तरफ वी हैव p माइनस 2 होल स्क्वायर, सो दिस बिकम्स p स्क्वायर प्लस 4 माइनस 2p is equal to p square. So this p square also gone, 2p comes here, 4 is equal to 2p, therefore p is equal to 2. पहले लग रहा था कि क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन आएगा बट इट डिडंट कम, और डायरेक्टली ऐसे ही सॉल्व हो गया। तो इजी था। सो आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस, एंड शेयर माई वीडियोज़ विथ योर फ्रेंड्स। हाँ, एंड इफ़ यू लाइक इट, इफ़ यू डोंट लाइक इट, सेंड मी ए पर्सनल कमेंट, यहाँ पे मत बोल देना, ठीक है। ओके, सो नाउ लेट अस सी, ये भी है, ये रिलेशन था बिटवीन टू थिंग्स। लेट मी डू इट फॉर यू वंस अगेन, फाइंडिंग द रिलेशन बिटवीन एक्स एंड वाई। सो देखो, दिस क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो आई एम डूइंग इट फॉर यू। व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल, जो मैंने जिस्ट बनाई है, दोज क्वेश्चंस आई विल गिव ए शेयर लिंक सो यू कैन एक्सेस माई नोटबुक। सो उससे भी आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो, कुछ है नहीं, वो RS अग्रवाल से उठाई हुई है मैंने। सो इंपॉर्टेंट सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, वो अलग अलग मॉडल्स के क्वेश्चंस हैं। इफ़ यू डू ऑल दोस मॉडल्स यू विल बी एबल टू डू ऑल काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, दैट इज माई अंडरस्टैंडिंग। हाँ, ठीक है। सो लेट मी शो यू दिस क्वेश्चन। सो दिस वन पी एक्स वाई इज इक्विडिस्टेंट। सो इसका मतलब यहाँ पे क्या है बच्चा, पी ए इज इक्वल टू पी बी, राइट। तो फॉर्मूला में डाल दो, पी ए का, पी ए इज इक्वल टू पी बी, इक्विडिस्टेंट है पी से ए तक एंड पी से बी तक, राइट। सो इट इज, सो दिस टाइम आई विल कंसिडर दिस एज x2 x1 और इसको x1 y1 और दूसरी बार उसको x1 y1 ले लेंगे, ठीक है। सो इट माई इक्वेशन बिकम्स x2 माइनस x माइनस 5 होल स्क्वायर अंडर रूट प्लस y माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर, x माइनस ऑफ माइनस 1 प्लस हो जाएगा, प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस 5 होल स्क्वायर, ठीक है। बट इसको कुछ करना नहीं है, स्क्वायर ऑन बोथ द साइड्स, तो रूट चले गए एंड यू विल बी लेफ्ट विथ x माइनस 5 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर, एंड यहाँ पे आपके पास बचेगा x प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस 5 होल स्क्वायर, ठीक है। अब इसको कुछ करना नहीं है, एक्सपैंड कर देना है, यू विल, वो सब बाकी सब कैंसिल ऑफ हो जाएगा, यू विल बी लेफ्ट विथ 3x इज इक्वल टू 2y बचेगा। देख लेते हैं, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 25 प्लस माइनस 10x प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 1 माइनस 2y इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 प्लस 2x प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 25 माइनस 10y, ठीक है। देखो, तो अब हमारे पास क्या, एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर तो एज इट इज़ खत्म हो गया, राइट। दोनों तरफ थे, इट गॉट कैंसल्ड ऑफ। सो यहाँ पे क्या है, 25 प्लस 1 26, यहाँ पर भी 26, तो प्लस 1 गया, 25 भी चला गया। तो हियर नाउ यू आर हैविंग माइनस 10x एंड हियर यू आर हैविंग माइनस 10y, और यहाँ 2x भी है। सो दिस 2x कम्स हियर, बिकम्स minus 10x and minus 2x, and this 2y goes there, minus 10y plus 2y, so this becomes minus 12x and this becomes 8y. So here we are getting 3 and 2, but here we are getting minus 3x, question में बोल रहा है 3x, so where we have gone wrong, let us check. X minus 5 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square and x plus 1 whole square, y minus 5 whole square, x square plus 25 minus 10x and y square plus 1 minus 2y is equal to x square plus 1 plus 2x, y square minus नहीं plus 25 minus 10y, this is fine. So x square 25 plus 1 20 कट गया, so minus 10x है यहाँ पर। ओके, हम थोड़ा सा ट्रांसपोजिशन में गलती की है, सो वील करेक्ट इट। सो लेट अस सेंड दिस 10x हियर, सो ये हो जाएगा 2x प्लस 10x 12x हो गया, एंड माइनस 10y कम्स हियर एंड बिकम्स प्लस 10y, सो इट इज 10y माइनस 2y, सो इट इज 8y इज इक्वल टू 12x, ठीक है। तो 4 3 ज़ा 4 2 ज़ा, तो हो गया ना। 2y इज इक्वल टू 3x या फिर 3x इज इक्वल टू 2y. वी गॉट 3x इज इक्वल टू 2y. सो वी गॉट आवर आंसर. ठीक है, समझ में आया. सो यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल वाइल ट्रांसपोजिंग. सी मैं जब लाइव कर रहा हूँ तब भी मिस्टेक हो जाती है, तो आपसे तो ज़रूर होगी. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल वाइल अटेम्प्टिंग क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड. So let us go and try some more question on this distance formula. So equilateral triangle में कैसे होगा? All for AB should be equal to BC should be equal to CA. वो कर दोगे तो आपका if you get all three values you will get that it is a equilateral triangle. ये प्रूव हो जाएगा. अब ये जो है vertices of a right angle triangle will be 90 degrees. ये कैसे होगा? Right angle triangle में Pythagoras theorem लगता है. So I will do it for you and show you. So this will be the last question of distance formula. I think you will be getting fair idea of distance, how to use distance formula by now. So he is telling that A, B, C are vertices of a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle भैया इस तरह से होता है, where one of the angle is 90 degrees. And angle B पे 90 है. So this let me mark this point as A, this point as B, this point as C. So he is telling A is 5, 2 and coordinates of B are 2, minus 2. Coordinates of C are minus 2 and T. Now हमको T की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. So Pythagoras theorem राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल में Pythagoras theorem applies and वहाँ पे क्या होता है? AB square plus BC square should be equal to AC square. So आपको फाइंड करना है AB का लेंथ, BC का लेंथ एंड AC का लेंथ एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड वन अननोन वेरिएबल T है, वो आंसर हमें आ जाएगा. So let us find AB. AB square is, let us go ahead and write AB square. 2, 5 minus 2, which is 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 whole square is 9, and 2 plus 2, 4 whole square is 16, 16 plus 9 is 25, so it is root of 25. This is AB. ठीक है, BC फाइंड कर लेते हैं. BC तो 2 plus 2 whole square which is 4 plus minus 2 minus T, minus 2 minus T, T whole square, तो ये हो गया रूट ऑफ 4 प्लस माइनस 2 माइनस टी होल स्क्वायर. इसको ऐसे ही रहने देना. ठीक है. नाउ AC के लिए लेट अस फाइंड 5 प्लस 2 विच इज 7 होल स्क्वायर, तो 49 हो गया. ओके, यहाँ पे कुछ गलती तो नहीं है? 2 माइनस 2, ओके, यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट मिस्टेक कर दिया ना. BC में इट इज़ 2 plus 2 4 का होल स्क्वायर विच इज 16. ओके, सो दिस इज 16 गाइस. और AB चेक कर लेते हैं ऐसे ही. AB में AB 5 minus 2 3 होल स्क्वायर इज 9 एंड ये ठीक है. दिस इज राइट, तो ये भी राइट. नाउ 49, वाई 49? 5 plus 5 minus of minus 2 becomes 7, 7 square is 49 and 2 minus T whole square, 2 minus T whole square. So it is root of 49 plus 2 minus T whole square. Now इस फॉर्मूले में डालना है. जैसे ही स्क्वायर करोगे सारे रूट गायब हो जाएंगे. हमें AB स्क्वायर निकालना है, तो AB स्क्वायर विल बी इसका स्क्वायर, BC स्क्वायर विल बी इसका स्क्वायर एंड AC स्क्वायर विल बी इसका होल स्क्वायर. द मोमेंट यू डू स्क्वायर्स योर रूट्स विल गो. सो हमें करना कुछ नहीं है. AB स्क्वायर इज रूट 25 का होल स्क्वायर इज 25 प्लस BC स्क्वायर इज 16 प्लस minus 2 minus T whole square should be equal to 49 plus 2 minus T whole square. ठीक है. Now see this, 16 plus 25 is how much? 41, right? तो 41 49. तो इस चीज़ को यहाँ ले आता हूँ मैं और इस चीज़ को यहाँ पे ले जाता हूँ. सो मेरे पास क्या हो गया अभी? सो आई एम लेफ्ट विथ 41. I'll take that side. So 49 minus 41 will become 7 and 2 minus t whole square I will bring here. So it is minus 2 minus t whole square minus 2 minus t whole square. इज इक्वल टू 7. 49 माइनस 41 इज 7. तो इसको एक्सपांड कर लो बच्चों लोग. 4 प्लस टी स्क्वायर माइनस, और ये प्लस हो जाएगा, माइनस माइनस प्लस हो गया, 4t माइनस 4 प्लस टी स्क्वायर माइनस 4t is equal to 7. तो once you open the bracket, ये प्लस टी स्क्वायर माइनस टी स्क्वायर, तो ये हो जाएगा 4t और माइनस प्लस 4t, 8t is equal to 7. तो t is equal to 7 by 8. ठीक है. So here I feel that we have gone wrong somewhere in transposing once again. So let us go ahead and check once more. So see, ये तो सही है, 49 माइनस 16 विच 49 प्लस 49 इधर, और ये दोनों मिलके होता है 41. तो ये इधर आ जाएगा 49 माइनस 1, हाँ देखा, तो वो 7 नहीं था, 49 माइनस 41 नहीं तो 8 होता है ना, 8. एंड लेफ्ट साइड विल बी -2 माइनस टी होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2 माइनस टी होल स्क्वायर. तो बेसिकली अगर इसमें से 2 प्लस टी होल स्क्वायर कर सकते हैं आप इसको, राइट. इट इज़ 2 प्लस टी होल स्क्वायर बिकॉज माइनस का स्क्वायर आई कैन राइट इट लाइक दिस, इजंट इट, 2 प्लस टी माइनस 1 एंड 2 प्लस टी होल स्क्वायर. तो माइनस 1 का स्क्वायर तो हो जाता है, तो 2 प्लस टी होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2 माइनस टी होल स्क्वायर. ठीक है, एक्सपांड कर दो, ये होल स्क्वायर है बेटा लोग. ठीक है, सो इट इज़ 4 प्लस 2t प्लस टी स्क्वायर माइनस 4 माइनस 2t प्लस टी स्क्वायर. सो वंस यू ओपन द ब्रैकेट क्या क्या हो जाएगा, 4 प्लस 2t प्लस टी स्क्वायर माइनस 4 प्लस 2t, ये क्या है, why I have written this one, 4 minus 2t plus t square, ये प्लस टी स्क्वायर है, और 2t, ये 2t है और ये बीच में प्लस है. ठीक है, माइनस टी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 8. तो सब कुछ कट गया, देखो टी स्क्वायर कट गया, और माइनस 4 प्लस 4 कट गया, 2t है, तो 4t इज इक्वल टू 8. सो t इज इक्वल टू 8 by 4 विच इज 2. ठीक है, सो थोड़ा सा गलत हुआ था, अगेन वी करेक्टेड द थिंग्स. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल while transposing figures. सब कुछ राइट होने के बाद you will land up in problem if you don't do transpose it rightly. ठीक है, so with this we come to an end of session using distance formula. The next session we will be seeing the formula where we have section formula, and next to that session we will do area formula. So this coordinate geometry will be divided, exercises will be divided in 3 sessions. The first sessions we are coming to an end. So as we have come to an end of the first video session on exercises of coordinate geometry, and we have discussed here distance formula in detail. So I hope you have liked the video. So stay tuned to this channel, because I hope you are enjoying the learning of maths and sciences, and also like and subscribe the videos and share with your friends. Thank you.